In the eastern region of Kenya, excessive sand mining is causing havoc to the surrounding environment. Sand excavators say they are aware of the problems, but there is no system to help them manage the harvesting sustainably. They all have seen the devastating caused by the uncontrolled sand harvesting and are now calling for the government to step in. For our sand, sometimes we excavate to the detriment of our grazing areas, leading to our animals lacking water. But if the government can construct sand catchments so that we can have watering and grazing areas, put regulations where we are supposed to pass, while carrying sand and restrict others and construct good roads, it will be a good move. Halinish Yusuf is a sand conservation and utilization director in this region. She believes there is a clear need to regulate the industry and to carry out studies to discover whether the resources they have in terms of sand can meet the growing demands.
Because of the strategic importance of sand being the second most extracted natural resource after water, and the importance because of the modernization that is going on, demand from construction industry, demand from the glass industry and many other industries, there's need to start thinking about regulating it, recycling, regulating where it's harvested, how it's harvested, but also thinking about alternatives and also thinking about upscaling and monitoring how it's harvested, where the amounts we have, so that we start planning for the future. Unfortunately, there is no data to show how much sand is going to be demanded for future development. And in the same token, there's hardly any research on the amount of sand deposits that we have. And so there's, even as we make plans, development plans as governments, we are not able to tell how much sand will be required and if we are running into a crisis or not. And so there's need to invest in research to know how much sand deposits we have, how much can be harvested, and how much is needed for development.
According to a recent report by the United Nations Environmental Programme, sand is the second largest exploited resource after water. It says globally 50 billion tons of sand and gravel are harvested every year.